Hey, this is Ralph, and in this video, I want to address the question, what is passive income and recurring income in affiliate marketing, and which term do I prefer to use? Because they are kind of similar, but actually one is slightly a misnomer, and the other I think is more point on and more accurate. So let's get into it. Now, first, let's talk about what you probably want to avoid in affiliate marketing, and that's what I call the one and done commission trap. In affiliate marketing, we earn commissions by making sales, and those commissions can be one-time commissions or they can be recurring commissions. One-time commissions is when you make one sale, you get paid once, and then that's it. It's done. When you make a sale and you're being paid recurring commissions, you can be getting paid month after month after month for as long as your person remains a paying customer. So the one and done commission trap is something I like to avoid anymore because I'd rather get paid on a continuing basis. That's where our topic of passive income versus recurring income comes in. So let's jump into that now. Now, you hear a lot about passive income online. It's all over YouTube and Facebook and X. It's all over the place. And for me, when you're talking about passive income in affiliate marketing, I consider it to be kind of a misnomer because in the beginning, it's anything but passive. It takes work to build up a passive income stream in affiliate marketing. You have to build up your list of customers. You have to build up a team of customers, make sure that they're happy customers. And then once you do that, once you get the number of customers that you need to generate a certain monthly or yearly income, and you make sure that your customers are happy with the service and they're continuing to pay month after month or year after year, then you've got your passive income built up. But in the beginning, it's anything but passive. It takes work. That's why I prefer the other term, recurring income. Now, recurring income in affiliate marketing is where you get paid monthly or yearly, and you do this by selling subscription memberships. You do this by selling an offer that the customer has to pay for monthly or yearly, and then every time they pay, you earn a commission. And I prefer the term recurring income because it doesn't promise that you're going to be earning money for nothing. After you've been at it for a few months or a year or two, yes, that can translate into getting paid monthly or yearly for very little work on your own. But in the beginning, it takes a lot of work. You have to find the offer that you want to promote. You have to go ahead and get your customers lined up, and then do the work of selling your customers on the product, and then make sure that they're happy with the product. And then once you do all that, once you get your customer base built up to where you like it to be, yeah, you can be making good money month after month, year after year, off of just a little bit of work that you did in the beginning, or a lot of work that you did in the beginning if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're trying to learn how to do it right. And so that's why I like the term recurring income rather than passive income. Hey, I hope you found this little discussion to be helpful. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and get a chance to earn 80% recurring commissions, visit our Home Business Academy using my affiliate link, ralphshomebiz.com. And I'll put that link in the program description down below. Till later, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.